I turned $780 into $10,000 in just 4 days.
I know you're wondering, bro, how do I do it? I'm about to show you right now.
Working a 9 to 5, I had to go and feed the gods. Nobody did it right, I had to show them how to grind. I had to beat the odds, this is the life I live for God. Taking a step at a time, we going up, we headed to Mars.
Yo, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, live and direct with another valuable video for you. No worries, I do not have a course to sell you. I don't have anything to sell you. I'm just gonna give you straight sauce. So let me give you a rundown right quick though. So I was on a demo about a week ago.
I've been on the binary lately too. When I figure this out, it's a wrap, y'all. I've been killing low key though. Watch this. Boom, watch this, hold on. 15 seconds, let's get it. Watch this. Ooh, can they stop playing? Watch that balance. 3, 2, 1. Watch the balance. 18, 26, 2600. I'm coming though.
I put some money on my account, you know, I hit Instagram and I was just showing, you know, profits as they was coming in. I'm talking about, this is literally like the next day.
I turned about $780 to $2,700 in a little over an hour. No cap, man, look. Let me go to the live. Let me just go to the history, bro, because this, so I made about $1,900 in profit, bro. Killing. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. 4,000. Come on. Boom, 4,400, all $700.
So account growing, it's booming. People blowing me up like, yo, you got a course on this. When you gonna start teaching this? I'm like, bro, I'm not doing no course on this. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give y'all the sauce when it's time, when I actually figure out how to do it. Now that I figured it out, it's a wrap. But as you can see right here, I just hit my 10K goal.
Hit that 10K goal, baby. You about to hit it. Let's go. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me.
I know you're wondering, bro, how do I do it? I'm about to show you right now.
Yo, man, so we are here live on the Pocket Options Broker. You know what I'm saying? You can get this broker in the description below, or you just go to the website. Either one, it don't matter, but you will need to have your driver's license, you know, proof of identification and stuff like that to go ahead and start doing this live and all that. But you can definitely practice in a demo account. Boom. But before we get started, you know, I got to show you this live account. Let me refresh. You know, you got to do this for the naysayers and the doubters. You got to do it because some people skeptical, and that's understandable. I refresh twice. Boom. Then we're going to go over here to the closed trades. You can see all the trades that I won today. All right, these are all the trades I won today. Matter of fact, I'm even click on live history so that y'all can see this is no cap, no fluff, no none of that. We really trade in real life. So stop playing with your boy. All right, boom. All right, you can see right here, $6,000 made in 2 days. This is from August 30th to August 31st, 2 days, getting that paper. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, let me go down here and just show you this. You see right here where it says top 10 traders? Who do you see right here? And I just recently started doing binary and I'm already on the leaderboards. Stop playing with me, bro. As a matter of fact, let me refresh that one more time. Just for the doubters, you know, and the naysayers, you know, you gotta do it because people just don't believe, bro. And that's understandable. So boom. All right, y'all see it. All right, now let's go back to here. Quick trading, and we're gonna really get to this. So I can show y'all the sauce and show y'all how y'all can start making money with this. Because the first thing you guys need to do, all right, is get your chart set up. So you want to click on this toggle right up here and you want to go where it says 2 charts. You want to click on this second one right here that's vertical. You click on that, it's going to be able to bring up 2 charts like this. All right. The second thing you want to do is find out what pair you're going to trade. It really doesn't matter. If you got high percentage, that's really good. I mean, you're going to get a bigger return. Either way, you can do any one of these that you're familiar with, or you can trade something that you're not. So they do have currencies, cryptos, commodities, stocks, right? The stocks I'll be hitting on the stocks too, for real. They all 92%, meaning you're gonna get 92% of the profit, right? So for instance, if I'm betting $200, I'll get $184 in 15 seconds. What? I know you probably think like, what? Yeah, it's nuts, but we're gonna talk about it. Let's talk about it, all right? So first thing you wanna do is pull up, let's say you pull up this one. I'm on Euro, boom, boom, all right? So first thing you need to do is click these 3 dots, come down here and click on line chart. So you click one on line chart, It'll bring up the little line chart right here. You come to the next one. You want to click on candles. So you click that on the candles. All right, make sure it's on the M1. All right, boom. So now that you got that, you're good. The next thing you need to do, click that toggle again, come down here, and you need to go in here and find zigzag. So go all the way to the bottom. My bad. Let me click on that again. Go all the way to the bottom. Click on the zigzag. Once you click zigzag, it'll pop up like this. And you want to have these settings right here. If this is standard usually, so it should already be like that, then click on style. You could do forward PX, make yours a little thicker so you can see it. All right, click save and you're good. You want to do it again. Go to zigzag again, and you want to put one with all ones. All right, style 2PX. All right, say that. After that, you want to come to the other side and do the exact same thing on the candle chart. All right, you want to do the exact same thing. I even added my 200 EMA on there, just, you know, for reference as far as the checkmate strategy. All right, now after that, you want to go get the stochastic. So we're gonna click here again. Click there. We go down till we find stochastic oscillator. You want that, and then on the settings on that, this is what you want to look like: 25, 6, and 5. You want it to be EMA. All right, you want to go to style. Down here, you want to put 92 and 6. These are my own personal little settings that I found works best for me. It's kind of like the NBA. When it gets, you know, extremely high, around 92, it usually drops. When it gets low, around 6, it usually goes up. What I did notice about the ones that are on like 92%, they usually zigzag a lot, so you got to be mindful of that. The other ones usually trend a little better when they're not, but it is, like I said, you are betting more, so of course they got to make it a little more difficult, you know, to try to get your paper. All right, so after that, I do have the RSI over this side, but you don't really got to use that if you don't want to. All right, what I did find out as well, for those of you who have been asking, can you use the same indicators from Forex on here? Yes, you can, but you have to do it on MT4. What do I mean? All right, so this is a 1 minute chart. So all you have to do is go to your 1 minute chart, right? And the same chart on your 1 minute on your MT4 is the same chart. So whenever you get, you know, signals or arrows or whatever it is on your MT4, you can trade it the exact same way on binary. I know that's crazy, right? You probably didn't even know that. You can trade it the exact same way as long as it's on the 1 minute chart. All right, so here is the sauce now. All right, so the first thing, well, let me explain a little bit about what binary is for those of you who don't know. All right, it's pretty much like Forex, right? The only thing is they have calls and puts, right? A call is a buy, a put is a sell. Same thing, right? Just different names. Also with this one, you can make money in a certain amount of time if you're correct. So just for those of you who remember the NBA strategy, let's just use that for an example. Let's say the market on the NBA strategy is down here at like 25, right? Okay, and let's say I buy at 25 and the market shoots up. With this one, if it holds above for 15 seconds, I'll make money, right? So if I get in down here, let me matter of fact, let me pull this up so y'all can see. Let me pull my draw tool up, right? If I get in down here, right? If you can see, if I get in down here in the market, let's say I get in at this very bottom right here that I'm scratching out. Let's say I get in right there and the market shoots up here, right? And holds above for 15 seconds. I'm gonna make my money. I'm gonna make my $200 back plus an extra $184. Now, if I do the multiple, right? If I do 200, 200, 200, then now I triple my money. You know what I'm saying? If it holds for 15 seconds. Now, if you want to figure out how to get this 15 seconds here, the first thing you can do, and let me make sure because I be wanting to undo. Here we go. Let me undo some of this. You can come here. So sometimes you might have a little flag right here, and it might say like M2 or something. You click on that flag, it'll turn to this little clock, a little timer, and then you just click the negative and your timer should go down to like 30 seconds to 15 seconds. If it doesn't go down to 15 seconds and you want to trade the 15 seconds, you could do that. But also, I do it with 30 seconds and stuff like that as well. Those are the two I find is best. It is a little more risky, but like I said, you know, if you master it, you'll be good, and that's why they have a demo account. All right. So now here we go. Here we go, y'all. Here we go. All right. So we doing overbought and oversold, right? With the stochastic. Stochastic is gonna help you with the price action. So boom. Let's say the market is getting too far up here around 92, right, on the line chart. All right. So then we're gonna be looking for the drop. We don't want to hop in right away. So we wait for confirmation on the zigzag, right? So as the market is shooting up, it's actually starting to get there now. But as the market is shooting up, it's gonna form the zigzag, right? It usually starts to pull back. Now you have to be careful for the fake out. It'll usually pull back a little bit, decide if it's gonna drop. If not, like it's doing right now, it's currently doing it, right? Boom, saying it's gonna drop. So if it does drop a little bit, sometimes it'll shoot back up and then drop later. So the thing you have to remember is once it gets up there, if you buy too early, right, it shoots up a little bit more. See, this is what I'm talking about. Here's the pullback. Now it's going to determine here whether it's going to keep going up or if it's going to drop, because we're already at the 92 mark, right? So now we're waiting on confirmation. See, boom. Now it's either going to shoot past this or it's going to shoot back down. So let's see. Okay. It kept shooting up. So we're still in that zone. So at this time, once it gives us confirmation it's dropping, we hop in, right, on the sell. And, you know, it keeps dropping. We hold for 15 seconds. We're in there. If not, the thing you do, because you only put in one. So let me give you an example. Let's say I put in one trade right here on the sell, right? I put in one on the sell. It doesn't go my way in 15 seconds, right? It shoots up. We're still in this overbought zone, right? So it's gonna drop. Right? We're still in this zone. The market is shooting up here, right? Now, at this point, it's gonna get exhausted and come down. But like I said, I only got to hold for 15 seconds, which is very, very quick, right? So then I hop in on multiple positions at the top, right? And the moment it drops for 15 seconds, I'm profitable, right? And that's gonna give you what you need as far as the trade goes. That's gonna give you, like I said, you only gotta hold it for 15 seconds. That's it. 15 seconds. It's not like Forex where you hold and trying to see if it's gonna keep going and stuff like that. You only have to hold it for 15 seconds, y'all. That's it. All right. So let me click off the draw so we can actually move these charts and see where we at now. Boom. So this one actually dropped for about 15 seconds before it shot back up. Right? But we're still in that zone. So we're looking for a big drop later, right? The drop is coming. Look at how far we up above this. The drop is coming. Boom. So if I would have sold right here, I would have had to hold for 15 seconds and then I'm in profit. Crazy, right? Now you can watch it in real time over here because this is what the candle is looking like. See, this would have been a win because that's 15 seconds already. All right, so that's how it is. That's the strategy, y'all. Overbought, oversold, right? You wait on confirmation. See, it gave you the pullback, and now it's shooting back down, right? So it's higher highs and lower lows. All right, higher highs and lower lows. Market shoots up, pulls back, shoots up again, pulls back, shoots up again, pulls back, and it's so much easier to see it like the M's and the W's. It's so much easier to see it with the zigzag. So another thing, like I said, another thing you guys can do is use this. So this is AUD USD. So let me show you AUD USD on here. All right, let me show you AUD, if I could find it. Boom. I'm gonna show you on here so that way you can see it lined up correctly, however you want to do it. All right, so boom. Now, if I look over here on the M1, you see where the market is at, about a 200, okay? And we look here, you see where it's at, about a 200. All right, they're gonna go in the same direction. They're gonna go in the same direction, y'all. All right. So when this one starts to shoot up, over here, this one will shoot up. When it starts to go down, this one goes down. You see that? So you can use the same signals that you would get with whatever indicator you got on MT4. You can use the same signals. You can use the same thing to say, if it's a downtrend or uptrend. But like I said, the only thing you have to do is be right for 15 seconds or 30 seconds. That's it. You right in that amount of time is dope. So what do I recommend for somebody who has like $1,000 account? This is what was told to me by Cashmere. He said, look, you got $1,000 in there. You can do $100 increments, nothing greater than that, right? $100 and less. So you can bet $100, and on this one particular, since it's only 66%, you will get $66 on top of your $100. So you bet the 100, you get 66 back, right, on top of your 100. So now if we did 92%. Let's say we did one of these at 92%, I would get $92 back instead of $66, right? So if you're looking right here. So that's the difference on percentages. But like I said, you only got to hold it for 15 seconds. Now, one thing you guys got to be mindful of is that this time frame will change on you on accident, and then you'll hop in a trade and it'll say like 2 minutes. You're like, what happened? I thought I was on 15 seconds. So you got to keep this, and be able to, toggle down like that. And always keep this in mind because it will catch you. But that's all it is, y'all. Overbought, oversold, right? And holding for 15 to 30 seconds. That's all you gotta do is be right 15 to 30 seconds, y'all. Like I said, I'm not saying it's just that easy because I don't want to make it seem like you're gonna get here and make $1 million. But this is a skill set. Like I said, if you learn it and you know Forex, you know higher highs and lower lows, you can see it. Look at this. Boom, the market shot down, pull back, drop, right? Lower high right here, drop. Boom, another one, boom, 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 and then here's the transition. Then it did form this W. I know the second leg of the W, same thing still apply, and look where it's headed. Same rules apply. Like I said, you just got to get in, hold for 15 seconds. That's it. You know what I'm saying? That's it. But like I said, past performance does not predict future results. I'm just here giving you the sauce that was gave to your boy. Like I said, I'm not even doing it justice because there's so much more I can say. I just wanted to introduce you to it because I will be bringing Cashmere on the channel to really dive in a whole strategy, y'all. To dive in the whole thing. But like I said, you can cross reference between MT4 and this to get better entries, right? If you're used to trading MT4, if this confuses you, as long as you're on that M1, you're good. You know what I'm saying? So let me go back to AUD right quick. Boom. And then see, same thing. You see where the 200 is? See where the market is shooting? Now let's look over here. Let's look on MT4 and see where the market is shooting. Up still. Got the arrow up. Boom. All you had to do was hold 15 seconds. You would have been in the money. They just gave me the checkmate arrow up. And then if we look over here, we was already up right here based off the 200. Ain't that crazy? Look at that. So you would have been already in the money. Now with this, it's very easy for you to get greedy and start going up because you can go up to bet at least $1,000, right? You can go all the way up to $1,000. And so, matter of fact, let me show you this, just so, because I know y'all like to be risky like your boy, but what I've learned is you can't go too big too early, right? So if I did $1,000 bet, right, saying that the market was gonna go up, I would make an extra $920 in 15 seconds, right? See, it changed on me again. Boom. All right. So letting you know, look, if I did a $1,000 bet saying that the market was gonna go up in 15 seconds and I was right, I would win my $1,000 back plus the extra $920. Ain't that crazy? So when you see this kind of stuff, you start to get the get rich quick mindset, and that's not good though, right? Stay at a happy medium. So my rule of thumb, like I told you before, this is what Cashmere told me. If you got at least $1,000 in there, then you need to do at least $100 increments, right? Or below $100 or $50 or $20, right? If you got I didn't go up to $200 until I got to like $5,000, $3 to $5,000. I think it was around $3,000, $3,000 when I had in my account, and then I switched it to $200 increments like this. right? And so then I was getting $184 every time. So what happened was when I'll get a certain, signal, or when I see it's overbought or oversold, let's say I placed one $200 one right here, and let's say it didn't drop like I wanted it to, and it went up a little bit more, I'll wait for confirmation, letting me know that it's getting ready to drop, and then I would just double up on my trade. So I would put two $200 trades in instead of one, or I do $200 trades, 3 of them, or I do 4 of them. They double and triple the money on the drop. And like I said, you only got to hold it for 15 seconds, and boom, you in there. But like I said, I need y'all to practice this stuff. Like I said, there will be more videos on this, but I just wanted to give you guys a rundown exactly how this works. It is a very, very lucrative business, a very dope one. Don't come in here thinking you're gonna get rich overnight, because it's not gonna happen. But like I said, I'm a skilled trader. I've been trading for a long time, so I get, I see things in the market that other people may not see. I actually get it. Forex actually helped me to learn how to do this a lot quicker, because it was like I already understood the concept of Forex. But with this, it was a little better, because it was like, 15-second time frame. Because on Forex, you only got a 1-minute time frame, which nobody really trades. You got a 15-minute time frame, things like that. But with this, and I'm like 15 seconds, bro, I can be right in 15 seconds. You know what I'm saying? So that's what originally brought. So I'm bringing y'all the sauce right here. Y'all can set y'all chart up like this. Or if you already have a Forex strategy that you already use and that you like, you can use the exact same thing. Now, when you do get up to certain currency pairs that they don't have on MT4, then, you can go and search to make sure they got them. They may have them. If not, then you're just going to have to pick some pairs that you're familiar with, and boom, there you go. But like I said, the bigger the percentage, the more money you'll make on your money, right? Like I said, you can hold 15 seconds, 30 seconds. You can do 2-3 minutes, depending on, however you want to do it. But this is a platform that can make you some good money. So with that being said, I want y'all to sign up to this program. Send me your results on the gram, and I'm sure y'all gonna kill it. I'm sure y'all gonna do y'all thing. And it's a wrap, man. Like I said, don't be greedy. Do not be greedy. You know what I'm saying? Once you make some money, you can flip an account pretty quick with this if you learn how to do it. Don't get greedy. Don't start, going crazy up here just like the lot sizes. Don't start raising this up to $400 and start betting $400 a pop and all that, going crazy, going $700-800 a pop. Just find you a happy medium. Because now when I do $200 a pop on 10K, it doesn't look as bad. Like it'll go away for a little bit and then it'll come back. You know what I'm saying? But instead, if I was doing $1,000 pop, it'll go down 9,000, 8,000, 7,000 if I do 3 trades. And then if I lose it, then I just lost $3,000. You know what I'm saying? So you want to keep it at a happy medium until you get really, good enough to start going wild with it like that and increasing them accounts. But like I said, this is just a rough draft. Like I said, I'm pretty sure I didn't even do it justice, but just to kind of open your eyes on how this works. Y'all play around with it, get you a demo account, and I'm sure y'all gonna kill it.
Going to different locations, how they got when I need some direction. Me and Vinci go up every session. Cook it up, yeah, it's no pressure. Yeah, how we do what we all in. We can slow up and